How to remove account in OneXpert app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXpert app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to remove account from your OneXpert app, you need to go to your account settings. Tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner over here. Once you are in your menu page, select this other option over here. Next up, tap on this account management section. After you are in this account management page, you can see this all accounts option over here. Tap on this. In this page, all of the accounts that you have will be listed here. So you can select the account that you want to remove. You can simply tap and hold on the account that you want to remove. After that, at the bottom you can see this delete account option. If you want to completely remove this account from your app, you can select this delete account option. It will ask you for your confirmation. If you really want to delete this account, you can tap on OK. And there you go. That's how you can easily remove account in your OneXpert app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.